Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to reset Android home screen layout. If your Android home screen feels cluttered or disorganized, resetting the layout can help restore a cleaner setup. Some Android devices include a built-in option to reset the home screen layout to its default arrangement. The exact steps may vary by manufacturer, but the process is usually found in the home screen or reset settings. To begin, unlock your Android device. Go ahead and hold the empty space on the home screen. Tap the settings menu. Look for a reset, restore, or reset layout setting. Tap on the similar option. Find reset to default or similar option. Tap reset home screen layout. Read the confirmation message carefully and verify that you want to restore the default layout. Tap reset or confirm and wait for the device to apply the changes. Return to the home screen and check that app icons have been rearranged to their default positions. Recreate any custom folders or widgets if needed, and organize your home screen according to your preferences. On some devices, such as those from Samsung Electronics, this option may be available directly within the home screen settings, while other Android manufacturers may use a different method. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.